Moving on to exercise 5.4. Okay, so in that this is my first question. This is of the form u divided by v. So first d by dx of u by v is going to be vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. Correct? In that first u u is going to be my numerator e to the x. V is equal to sin x. U dash derivative of e to the x is going to be e to the x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So this apply pannalama. So what is it? D by dx of e to the x divided by sin x is going to be v u dash. What is my v? Sin x times u dash, which is e to the x, minus u v dash. So u is e to the x, v dash vandu cos x the whole divided by v square, which is sin x the whole square. So what is my answer? E to the x common adtha, I'll have sin x minus cos x the whole divided by sin square x. So this is my dy divided by dx. I can equate this to y, correct? So this is dy by dx. This is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Second question, e to the sin inverse of x. So first I need to do d by dx of e to the sin inverse of x, which is going to be e to the sin inverse of x d by dx of what is in the power, correct? So d by dx of sin inverse of x. இப்போ இதோட derivative நான் தனியா கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன். So what is it going to be? d by dx of sin inverse of x. I need to find this. I'm going to equate this to y. So y is equal to sin inverse of x. When I take sin on both sides, sin y is equal to x. Taking the derivative on both sides, I'll have d by dx of sin y equals d by dx of x. Sin oda derivative enna? Cos. So cos y times, don't forget the y, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x is going to be 1. So what is my dy by dx? Which is equal to 1 divided by cos y. Cos ko sin ko relation, square root of 1 minus sin square y, which is going to be 1 divided by square root of 1 minus sin y enna? Sin y is x. So I have x square. This is my derivative of sin inverse of x. dy by dx kandupidichiruken. Y is equal to sin inverse of x na, dy by dx is going to be 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. You have to understand that I need to substitute this here. Sin inverse of x in the dy by dx, I need to substitute it here. So what is going to be my final answer? Don't forget this e to the minus sin inverse of x. So my final answer is e to the power sin inverse of x times d by dx of sin inverse of x, which is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So final answer enna? E sin inverse of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is my final dy divided by dx. Please copy. Question number 3. Again, e to some function x. Okay, so now d by dx of e to the x cube. D by dx of e to the x is going to be e to the x itself. But x enna? It is x cube. So d by dx of x cube. What is the derivative of x cube? It is going to be 3x square. So final answer enna? 3x square e to the x cube. Very, very easy. Okay, please copy. Question number 4. Sin of tan inverse of e to the x. So there are 3 different functions. So first I'm going to take the derivative of d by dx of sin of tan inverse of e to the minus x. Derivative of sin is a cos. So I'm going to have cos of x enna in that tan inverse of e to the minus x. I need to find the derivative of that also. So I need to find d by dx of tan inverse of e to the minus x. You need to understand that it is inside the tan inverse function. E to the minus x is inside the tan inverse function. So now I'm going to find the derivative of this particular function. So what am I going to have? I have y is equal to tan inverse of e to the minus x. Now taking the derivative on taking tan on both sides, I'll have tan y is equal to e to the minus x. Taking derivative on both sides, d by dx of tan y is equal to d by dx of e to the minus x. So in the pakka enna irukku? Tan oda derivative is secant square y dy divided by dx equals d by dx of e to the minus x. So it is going to be e to the minus x times minus 1, derivative of minus x. You agree? Derivative of minus x is going to be minus 1. I'll mark it. So next step enna? dy by dx is going to be minus e to the minus x divided by secant square y, which is minus e to the minus x of secant tan convert pannona, it is 1 plus tan square y, which is minus e to the minus x divided by 1 plus tan y enna? tan y from here is going to be e to the minus x. So it is going to be e to the minus x the whole square. Don't forget the square. So I'll have minus e to the minus x divided by 1 plus e to the minus 2x. Okay. So this is the derivative of this. This is this one. D by dx of tan inverse of e to the x is going to be this one. So my final answer now is going to be cos of, final answer, cos of tan inverse of e to the minus x times minus e to the minus x divided by 1 plus e to the minus 2x. Okay, so this is my final answer. Please copy. Fifth question. Log of cos e to the x. In there, three different functions. So what is my first step? D by dx of log of cos e to the x. So first log function. What do you see? Log irukku. So d by dx of log x is going to be 1 by x. So 1 divided by x enna? Cos of e to the x. Do you agree? D by dx of log x is going to be x. In there x enna? It is my entire cos e to the x. So this x is nothing but cos e to the x. Agree? Okay. Now I need to find the derivative of what is inside the function. So cos of e to the x. D by dx of cos e to the x. So I'll have cos e to the x times cos or derivative is minus sign. So minus sign of e to the x. Don't forget the d by dx of e to the x. Now what is my next step? 1 by cos e to the x times minus sign of e to the x times d by dx of e to the x is going to be e to the x itself. So final answer is minus e to the x sine of e to the x divided by cos of e to the x. What do you see here? You have sin x divided by cos x, which is going to be tan x. So it is going to be minus e to the x tan of e to the x. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy.